Ikea Havsta built-ins part 3. After shopping for the materials, we brought everything home and got the beadboard nailed up onto the wall into the studs. Next up, it was time to prime and paint the doors. I am loving this color. After giving the doors 2 coats of paint, we brought everything back up and got it put back into position. After painting out the beadboard, my husband then added a piece of wood to the top of the Billy bookcase so that we could secure it to the studs in the wall, making it safe. Next up, it was time to close off the gap at the top of the bookshelves. My husband used 2x4s in order to create a ledge that we would then anchor between the two. Having this ledge in place allowed us to use a 1x11-inch board to close off the bottom of this. Once we added that board, it allowed us to create a boxed out center between the 2 bookshelves. After nailing that into place, it was time to work on trimming out the front. For this piece, we used an already primed MDF board that we measured and cut to go across the entire front of the unit. The last few steps were to change out the existing hardware and to add crown molding to finish off the top. I knew that adding just this extra bit of crown molding on the top would really finish off the entire piece and make it look like a very built-in unit. So looking back on how the room started versus how it's finished up, I absolutely love this project. It was so much better than I expected. And I know that this is going to provide so much storage for our kids for so many years to come. Tell me what you think in the comments and follow for more.